Code Africa. Unlock the future.
Hello and welcome to Code Africa. Joseph is here. Today in this episode we are going to talk about the most infallible, the spontaneous, the genius chatbot in the system, bears the name ChatGPT. So without much ado, let's dive in.
Okay, listen to this. Very creepy. A new artificial intelligence tool is going viral for cranking out entire essays in a matter of seconds.
So what is unique about this new technology that everyone is talking about and it is breaking the hair out of the internet? Now what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT simply means Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The ChatGPT model is a large language model trained by openai that is capable of generating a human-like text by providing it with a prompt. It can generate a response that continue the conversation or extend on the given prompt. That is awesome. Okay, so what we are trying to mean is that with ChatGPT, we can open a conversation like this and ask any question at all. So let's go. Who are you and why are you so special? When we hit enter, it is going to generate an answer and open a prompt for a conversation. That is awesome. All right, let's see what we got here. I am ChatGPT, a language model created by openai. I am a special type of artificial intelligence designed to understand and generate a human text language. My purpose is to assist users in answering their questions and providing a helpful response. Awesome. All right, so let's keep the conversation further. So how do I become a front-end developer? Let's hit enter. Alright, so with few seconds, we are good to go. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Becoming a front-end developer requires a combination of education, practical experience, and ongoing learning. Here are some of the general steps to get started. Number 1, learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which is very true. Build projects. Awesome. The next step is what? Learn front-end frameworks, which is very vital. And the fourth one says what? Build a portfolio. Awesome. Keep learning. Awesome. All right, so let's say I want more in-depth knowledge about what it's talking about. When we open a conversation like this, it understands the intent of the flow and the flair of the conversation. So you can ask a follow-up question based on the same conversation that you open up, and it's going to answer you based on the flow of the conversation. All right, so let's say we need more in-depth knowledge about what it's talking about here, HTML, learn HTML, CSS, and okay, so we can paste it here and we can say, give more details. All right, let's be polite. So we say, give more details, please. So when I put a column here, he understands what I mean, okay? So let's hit enter. Alright guys, this is amazing. He beginning by explaining what HTML simply means, what the hypertext markup language, and give you a simple explanation that he can give, and it's also advising you that you can also do that by just going to W3 schools and the other free coding camp to get started and learn for free. Okay, and also he explaining the CSS, which is the cascading style sheets, and give a brief descriptions. That is awesome, and proceeding by doing the same to the JavaScript and all that. And he concluded it in a simple manner. He says it is important to practice coding, which is very vital. Okay, so we can see the conversation flair follows exactly the point. That is awesome. That is awesome, guys. I might say that ChatGPT goes beyond opening a conversation and answering your questions for you. You can use ChatGPT to make a lot of money, and also it can save you a lot of money, time, and resources. Well, let's begin with saving you money, time, and resources. For instance, I would like to ask ChatGPT to summarize the book for me. All right, so let's do that. Summarize the book Purpose Driven Life. Now hit enter. All right, so this is amazing. Purpose Driven Life is a best-selling book by a Christian author, Rex Warrell, that provides a 40-day spiritual journey to help readers discover their purpose in life. Now, this is amazing, but what correlation does it have with saving you money, time, and resources? Now, let's check out. Now, when you open the Fiverr website, there are several providers providing the same services here, but look at how much they are charging and look at the time duration. So you can see from here, a book with a page 250 pages to 300 pages is charging $130. Wow. And the delivery time is what, 3 days. So you can imagine ChatGTP is providing you the same service for free. All right, so you can see you are saving yourself $130 for free. And this one is taking 3 days, but ChatGTP is taking less than 3 minutes. Let's say 3 seconds. Wow. This is amazing. Now, how do you turn the same skills by making money? It's very simple. My friend, just dive into fiverr.com and just sign up. Okay, you can sign up and you can register as a freelancer who read and summarize a book, or who provide any services in content writing. Or you can even advertise yourself as a copywriter. Basically, you don't have any knowledge about copywriting, but you are a copywriter. Why? It's because of the help of ChatGPT. All right, so just be there. Any response that comes, just get it on and hit to your ChatGPT with a proper and accurate input, and you get the work done. Just submit it. You can see this place, he is providing the service for 3 days, but with ChatGPT you can say, well, I can do the same work for you in 1 day. Please don't go and suggest 3 minutes, okay? Because your client is thinking that you are going to read the whole book before you give the summary. Okay, so you cannot just go and say, I can provide a service in 3 minutes. How can you read 300 pages and summarize this in 3 minutes? All right, it will sound weird. So at least you say, I provide 2 days services or 3 days services. This guy is charging $130, but I am charging only $50 or even $30. All thanks to ChatGPT. My guy, you can make a lot of money doing this. Not only that, you can use ChatGPT to write a book. All right. So how do you start? So you can say, write a book on how to make money online using using smartphone. Okay. All right. So just hit on enter. All right. Now our book is done. Okay, so less than a minute, ChatGPT has prepared a full functional book for us, and we can use this book to make money. Okay, all what you have to do is that be a little intelligent enough to know how to edit it and putting things together to get your work done well and well settled. Okay, let's say that chapter 1 is not detailed, or you want more detailed information on chapter 1. So you say that detailed information in chapter 1, and because ChatGPT understands the flow of this conversation, is going to know what you mean by that. Okay, that is awesome. Let's see, and you can see. So you can do this to all the chapters if the contents are not detailed, or you can even go ahead and just personalize it, customize it to your liking, and just ask the question. It's going to write it for you, my guy, and we are going to make money with this. All what you have to do is that just copy this one into your Microsoft and edit it, turn it to a PDF. Just go to Canvas and arrange them well, prepare your design well and arrange them. After that, turn it to PDF. Now go to Amazon, upload your book there, and you are good to go. All right, so the next thing that you have to do is, after getting everything done successfully, you hit further by asking, give me SEO optimization to improve my sales, and it's going to give you the SEO optimization content for you that is going to help you, the keywords and everything that is going to help your book to be well ranking, so that anyone that will go to Amazon will find your book and buy it, and you make a passive income while sleeping. I might say that there are a lot of options that you can use ChatGPT in order to make money, a lot of money by yourself, guys. And this is a real deal. Okay, if you need a more technical knowledge on how to use ChatGPT to make money in any line at all, just hit it up on the comment section, and I'm going to record another video on that and teach you systematically on how to do that, especially if you want to know the detailed content of how to make or how to write ebook using ChatGPT and getting your design straight, getting everything straight from the beginning to finishing and to publishing it. Just hit me up on the comment section and I'm going to do diligence to that. All right, I might say that this is just the beginning of ChatGPT. I'm going to come up with a lot of technicalities that we all can use it to better our life and our skills in our workflow. It's going to help you a lot in your workflow. Everything that you're doing, it is there to assist you. All right, guys, hit on the subscribe button and hit on the like button and ring the bell for notification. Thank you. See you on the next video, and until we meet again, take care and have fun.